Let us start my day as an intern student in Bureau of Internal Revenue, RDO number 24, Valenzuela City. It is a two-way transportation from my house in Karuhatan. I clocked in my time card to start my day. My first task is to check and encode if the preliminary notice for taxes is received by whom, and date received in envelope. Then, I stamp names and other informations of one-time transaction dockets that is to be reviewed by a revenue officer. I am putting markings to the retrieve batch control sheet of receipts for payments on taxes to the accredited agent banks of BIFS. That's a wrap for today's vlog. I hope you learned something from me and thank you for watching!